Hi guys, I hope you hear me now. I started a new video. I've unuploaded this because I was muted. Now I'm finally recorded. Hopefully this isn't muted again. I'm just used to
Actually,
sitting
that's taking space of my map. So if
our old lucky landing place.
So if I just move.
What? No, I can't.
Yeah, moving it there would work.
What? Okay.
Sorry. Alright, there's my map. Old lucky space.
I accidentally jumped out, but
this is
good.
the perfect spot.
Yeah.
Right, I'm going to that lonely house, and you go to the other two, because this is a lucky landing spot.
And this is the way we go.
Oh wait, no, I landed at the wrong house.
Submachine gun.
Someone already died. How much metal? 50? Sure.
Yeah.
Oh, right, actually. Okay. Is that a double barrel?
What? No, I don't think double barrels are in the game.
It's a pump.
Yeah.
What's this? Oh, there's one of the new guns. It's the light machine gun.
Is that a new?
Yeah, it's one of the newest.
Oh yeah, that one. No.
Yeah, because they're
it's one of the newest. Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it the newest update though?
Yeah, no. But it is pretty good. 60 ammo. That's a lot.
Okay, I'm looting this big white house.
I'm looting the dark greenish house.
Yeah, okay.
I didn't know the color.
Burst assault rifle. I'll take that. There's shotgun ammo here.
Oh, can I have it?
Yeah, I didn't take it yet.
Alright, any...
I'm leaving it for you. Nah, cause... Can someone tell me what is better? Wait, is there any chest in it?
Alright, good loot. I don't really care about it.
I wish the camera could look at our hands, so how we play.
Silence SMG. Where's the shotgun? Oh,
there's a sniper at the bottom.
I have a sniper already.
I can give you 3 shields.
Alright, where's the... No, I already have some shields. Alright, where's the,
Look, it's up there, okay.
Where? Hold on, was it there?
It's downstairs.
Alright, I'll go find it to the stairs. Oh, there it is. 20, nice. The store is closing.
Yes.
We are in it, so no one cares.
So are we safe?
Yeah.
Okay, can't hold anyone. Perfect loot. Okay, now I need to set some things up. Okay, that's really good.
What?
Hey, wait. Thing is, this is annoying.
No, this is annoying.
He disconnected.
Probably because I glitched.
Yeah. So should I leave? Yes, sugar. Medium ammo, chest. I hear one.
I'm gonna place and build a bit for treasure, okay?
No.
Alright, so unfortunately that game kicked me out, so now we are playing some Build Bote for treasure. Build a bit for treasure. Oh my goodness, these people have been playing for so long. Alien Spaghetti is the person my robot will be fighting against. So, I don't know really much about him, but he's my friend, and I really like him. How do I still only have 2 of these? Alright, so while we just wait, I guess I can show you how to build a really cool set.
Ooh.
On a class.
Is a minigun better than a RPG? No. Because I already have a submachine gun, so.
Don't go stairs look cool. If you don't like it, then don't like it. I do.
If you don't like it, don't like it. Go ahead. Don't like it. So guys, right now I have a green scar, a purple SMG, a green pump or tactical because they look the same, and RPG. No, this is a pump because when you're holding it, it looks different. But common or what? Okay, what is rarity called? Common.
I
yeah.
need a ladder. Where's the ladder gone? Oh no, the ladder's gone.
I'm sorry guys if I end the video without doing a.
You know you're not recording.
Yeah, I am.
Are you even using Screencast-O-Matic?
Yes.
Oh, whitey.
Why did you think I'm not recording?
Right, next thing. Arms.
I wish you
And
could
also the
see
top
my
of my
arms.
torso.
Is that people?
I cannot believe this is still loading.
I have no mouse, so this could be hard.
Alright guys, since this is probably gonna take some time, I'll see you when I'm finished. Or maybe also when I'm finished the second time. Alien's already on the inside. What? Well, Alien, where's your head gone? This is his robot. He has a really cool inside. I'm not on the inside yet.
Yeah. Cool. Really, really cool. Wow.
What robot do you prefer?
I don't know.
And what robot do you think would win?
I have no idea. Okay. If you're only doing one round, that's stupid. That's completely useless. Is that a weapon or what? Is that a cactus? Is that a window? Oh, back here. Oh no, wait. We didn't land here at first, didn't we? There's still chests here. I'll leave these, I guess. See if we get anything better. I mean, another rocket. I mean, 2 is better than 3. I mean, 3 is better than 4. Keep on messing up by saying that. Maybe SMG. SMG. Oh, I can sniper. Rocket ammo. Yes. The champions, my users. Yeah, it isn't moving. I should be able to hit these. There's what I can have. No. Tactical. Oh, that's tactical rifle.
It's a scar.
Yeah. Yes. Okay.
Do you like my robot?
Yeah.
Look at it. So it's finished.
Okay. 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 It's I haven't seen a guy yet. I didn't see anybody.
Okay then. I just finished the top, although it is a little bit
2
odd.
people are there.
So
No, the squad is on me. I mean,
I'm
going
I'll
around.
probably see you when I finish my arm.
Yeah. No. Oh no. Storm is moving. Now I just need to sneak up behind and kill them. Because that's how I win. Oh, it's only to this far. Good. Oh, there we go. I think that's someone else. Oh, imagine if that was me. He had 1 health. 1 HP. So I take shield. 5 more minutes. I need to take no health from one guy and then it's a 1v1. Oh, 3 people. Wow. What's my move? You're dead. You should be dead. And now where are you? You pesky hunter. Yeah, don't mess with me. Jesus. Ah, I can't believe I survived that. Alright. Damn it. I'm actually... Wait, did they win? Yeah, okay. GG. 3v1! I killed them. I mean, it was a 1v1, v2. But I killed them all. I know, you're gonna be like, oh, they don't have any health. Oh, no. Okay, whatever. Okay. Okay, let's, we I survived. A 1,000. Can I buy anything? Should I buy this? Or this? Yes! Oh, I got a good face. No, not a good face. What am I talking about? Look. Come on, let's hope this looks good on me. Finally, a different face. Okay, guys. Oh, I'm so close to level 5 in that game. Okay, guys. I'm gonna be back to you guys, and I'm gonna play a different game.
Are you joining me?
Probably not. Bye. Okay. Okay. So we're gonna play the new 2 billion update. I've already checked it out. I've got the new car. No one spoiled anything. Every time I open something, then I get another chest. I don't know why, but I always get one chest. Someone outside. I can do it, and somehow my clothes spawn right here. So yeah. Ow. I think that was a copper. Go, please go. If you want a car, get out. I'll see you later. Stinker later. Ow. Yeah. Still not faster than me. Why am I slow?